Hello bakers, in this video I am going to showing A to Z tips and tricks how to use whipping cream. This is non-dairy whipping cream and this brand is Delight, and whipping cream comes in lots of brands like 𝙁𝙧𝙚, Amul, and some non-dairy whipping creams are already sweet, so no need to add any sugar. So this is non-dairy whipping cream. This comes in 1 kg pack, just like we get ice cream packs. So this can be used for toppings or maybe fillings or icing the cakes or ice creams or other desserts. We have to store it at -18-degree temperature. That means we have to store in freezer. When we are not using it, when we have to use it, we have to thaw it. It means from freezer to put refrigerator for 2 hours and then use it. When not in use, put in a refrigerator. So this comes in pack like this, and we have to open and use the desired quantity and again seal it like this and put it again in the refrigerator in the freezer. So let's get started. Welcome to my channel Simply Suman. This is Suman. So we have to thaw it when we are using it, and I have already one pack opened pack, so I'm going to show you how to open it like this. And I already thawed the cream, so this is in liquid consistency. So with 1 liter pack we can make 5 to 6 half kg cakes. So I'm pouring, it's around 150 to 200 ml of liquid cream, and this is chilled. So again I am putting it back in the freezer. So seal it like this, hold it like this in your fingers, press it like this and put tape on it and put in freezer section till we further use it. So whenever again we have to use it, again thaw it, use it and place back in freezer. So that's it, how we use it and how we store it. This can be stored up to 1 year, 12 months. So this is liquid, but this is chilled, as you can see, just like melted ice creams. So now we start whipping it for our cake. So let's get started. Take a bowl and put some ice cubes in it. Basically we are making ice bath for it, because this is going to keep our whipping cream chilled while we are working on it, because in summers it is very difficult to whip the cream in room temperatures. If you are working in AC, no need to make an ice bath. So my bowl and the whipping blades are already chilled. I put them in freezer for half an hour. This is chilled, blades are chilled, the bowl is also chilled. The under bowl that has ice cubes keeps it chilled while we are working on it. So this is chilled, this is also chilled, and that makes it chilled. So put all the cream in the bowl. So use any ceramic bowl or maybe silicone bowl. Don't use the steel ones, because steel bowls get scratched with the blades of the blender and they ruin the bowl. So try to use always the silicone ones. So start with speed 1 Don't start with higher speeds. Start with one speed, least speed on your beater, electric beater or whisker. For this we can't use the balloon whisks because for whipping the cake or for icing the cake, this is like electric whisker or the stand mixers are must. So as you can see, the whipping cream is already doubled in size. This is going to be 4 to 5 times cream. So again whip it. We have to whip it for 1 to 2 minutes at speed 1. Then we have to increase it and keep on increasing the speed, and the whole process took around 5 to 7 minutes till we to get the desired consistency of the cream. In between, don't forget to scrap the sides of the bowl. So as you can see, the cream is almost doubled. I speed up the speed of the blender. Whisker, keep on whisking. As you can see, it almost 3 times doubled, 3 times increases in size, but still it is in liquid consistency, so we have to whip it more. And now I am going to speed up the level and whip it, keep on whipping. And I can say the whipping cream tastes almost same like the vanilla ice cream. So you can make ice creams also with this, and you can make a fruit chaat or fruit salad using this whipping cream. So I have increased size, increased the speed, and now I'm going to show you. As you can see, little peaks are starting. Again whip it. Now sizes again increasing, and now we are getting some ripples on it. That means we are doing it in a right way. So now you can see soft peaks are coming in. Now we are getting soft peaks. For making ice creams, this stage is required. So if you are making ice creams with the whipping cream, use it in this condition. Scrape the sides so that we get even texture all over in the cream, and do it in between every 1 to 2 minutes. So right now I am using icing sugar. Don't use homemade sugar powder. Use icing powder because it has some corn flour in it, and corn flour makes it little bit stable. So in summer, to stabilize the cream, whipping cream, we use little bit of icing sugar. And if you like more sweet cream, you can add more icing sugar in it. So now I have put it in 3 to 4 level, and again whipping it. So now size almost increased from where we started, and you can see ripples, nice ripples on it. That means our whipping cream is about to get ready in 1 to 2 minutes to ice the cake. So keep on whisking it. Whisk it, whisk it, whisk it. Now the peaks started. As you can see, we are getting stiff peaks. Now at highest speed, I'm going to whip it for 1 to 2 more minutes, and it's ready to use. For using whipping cream, we have to put some points in our mind before using it. So first, don't use the frozen cream to whip for making cakes, and don't even use hot cream for whipping, preparing it for icing. And one more thing, don't use or don't whisk it in hot conditions, because that again, after whipping, it started melting. So these are the points which you have to keep in mind. And one more thing, don't start with the highest speed, always start from first and keep on increasing the speed. And in summers, use the ice bath, and in winters, no need to use ice bath, because already the climate is chilled and no need to make it more chilled. So these are the things which you have to keep in mind before whipping the cream, and always thaw the cream before using it, and put your remained cream in the freezer section. If you put it in refrigerator, it will get ruined. So now we get almost the stiff peaks, and our whipping cream is ready to ice our cake. So you can check it like this. Just for our convenience, just whip it for 1 more minute on highest speed, and it's ready. And if you have any query, feel free to ask in the comment section. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to fill piping bags, and how to use nozzles, different nozzles for icing the cakes. So let's meet in the next video for other icing tips and tricks. So stay tuned with me. This is Suman signing off. Let's meet in